Hi everyone, my name is Rhonda Robson and thank you so much for joining me today on my fluid art channel. I am a fluid artist or pouring artist and I live in Sioux City, Iowa. And that is just smack dab in the middle of the United States of America. Today's painting is about leftover paint. My last video was about leftover paint, but it was blues and greens. And this time I wanted to utilize the reds, purples, plums, pinks, that type of stuff. But I did the same kind of thing where I just poured a bunch of paint out there and then ended up swiping it with metallic white. So let me show you what that looked like. Here's what it ended up being. And with leftover paint, you never know what you're gonna get. So do you have silicone in it? Do you not? That type of stuff. This one tended to crack a little bit, but I think it adds to the depth and the texture of it. I think it's kind of cool. And so I'm gonna put this side by side with my blue one that I made. Actually, I have that one right here. So they will go side by side on the wall. I actually really like them. And they were both paintings that I had done prior to, didn't like the painting, tried some different techniques and stuff, and then I ended up putting leftover paint over them. All right, well, thanks for joining me today, and please, if you're new to my channel, consider subscribing and clicking that notification bell. That way you can get notified when I get a video up. All right, bye for now. Talk to you soon. Bye. All right, so another LOP painting. This one's in red. Last one you can see it was in blues. So this has reds, purples, maroons, as you can see, pinks. The trash can's getting full. All my. And then I'm going to do silvers in this as well. And I'm going to do exactly what I did with the last one, which is I will move it around and then I will end up doing a swipe with it. Ooh, this has got like some brown or something in it. That was my LOP from probably the one I did for my friend Kelly. And again, with the LOP or leftover paint, you never know the consistency you're going to get and if it has silicone or not in it. across. Go to the side first. Go down. Side. Go back this way. Okay. Go back that way. Okay. Turn it. Oh, oh. This way. Go down. Go that way. Down. Okay. Looks cool. Needs to come back this way because I missed this corner over here. Okay. Looks like I got all the sides there, so now I gotta go back over to this corner here. Okay. I need to get that corner there. Corner. Side. Back to center. All right, so now I'm going to check all the sides. Okay, how about over there? So, yep, all right. So now, let's just go down. Okay. And now, I'm going to take my metallic white up here, since this is where most of my paint's at. Okay. That. Bring this up here a bit. So I'm going to use a paper towel, and it's just going to be dry. And I'm going to put my paper towel in the wet paint all the way across, and I'm just going to scrape. And watch the cells action, because there is some silicone in it. Bring it back that way some. Oh shoot. Now my cells are all going wonky. Okay, I'm gonna do that one more time. So there's my leftover paint with reds, purples, pinks, and silver. I'm gonna let that kind of just explode. The cells aren't gonna be good because it's probably got multiple different types of silicone and different types of paint. So they're not gonna be what we need them to be, you know, your pretty cells, but it'll be kind of cool. All right, bye. And that's my cat.
Thanks for watching, and if you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe and click the notification bell so that way you can get notified when I have a new video up. Thank you for watching, and have a great day.